afternoon. My name is Bella. Have you heard about some endangered animals and plants? When I think about that, I'm so sad. It has many endangered animals and plants, but I will tell you only tiger, axolotl, and corpus flower. First, I think you don't know axolotl. Axolotl is a sea animal at Mexico. Axolotl looks like it has three whiskers and looks like a salamander, so axolotl is very unique. And color is black or pink. About this, I think axolotl is cute little bit. Second, tiger is a fierce animal. I love tiger and I have tiger dog. The tiger have a black stripe, and tiger is also endangered animal, so there are only 2,000 tigers left. That's so depressing. Finally, corpus flowers are endangered too. Really, I don't know, but today I know it. Overall, corpus flower is very stinky like rotten eggs, so it's very disgusting. But amazing, corpus flower only grows at nature in two small areas of Indonesia. And I'm so interested that it can grow 20 feet tall. So I think that's very big. In my opinion, I want to save endangered animals and plants because it's so sad. I am heartbroken about this because when there has no animals and plants, we will forget it. So I want to do for plants and animals. For example, I could do is I don't throw the trash on the floor, recycle well. Or I can save energy. I hope you enjoy. I hope you get more information for my presentation. Bye bye.